Hey there, you just discovered a hidden treasure chest filled with gold, silver, and precious gems. But to claim your prize, you need a special key. That key is your cryptocurrency wallet. Hook. Ever wondered how to unlock your crypto treasure? Today, we're diving into one of the most popular options, the Kraken wallet. Let's explore step by step how to register your Kraken wallet and start your crypto journey. Building context. Before we get started, let's understand what a cryptocurrency wallet is and why Kraken is a popular choice. A cryptocurrency wallet is essentially a digital wallet that stores your cryptocurrencies. It's like a digital bank account, but instead of storing traditional fiat currency, it holds cryptocurrencies. Kraken is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange and wallet provider. It's known for its security, reliability, and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to register your Kraken wallet. Visit the Kraken website. Open your web browser and go to kraken.com. Create an account. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and a strong password. Agree to the terms of service and click Create Account. Verify your email. Kraken will send a verification email to the address you provided. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to provide additional information. Enter your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. You may also be asked to provide identification documents for verification purposes. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. For added security, enable 2FA. This requires you to provide a second form of verification, such as a code from a mobile app or SMS. Fund your wallet. Now that your account is set up, you can fund your wallet. Kraken offers various funding methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and cryptocurrency deposits. Start trading or storing. With funds in your wallet, you can start trading cryptocurrencies or simply store them for future use. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when using your Kraken wallet. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Research cryptocurrencies. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, do your research and understand the risks involved. Explore Kraken's features. Kraken offers various features, such as margin trading, staking, and lending. Explore these options to maximize your crypto experience. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully registered your Kraken wallet and are now ready to embark on your crypto journey. Remember to prioritize security and do your research to make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.